Hi, so if you're just casually playing on your Xbox Series XS or like here Xbox One, and then all of a sudden everything just looks zoomed in and you can't move normally or anything, nor can you even exit the game properly to the dashboard because everything is just huge. So what's going on? Well, most likely is that you have accidentally enabled the so-called magnifying mode or the Magnifier, which is basically an accessibility aid built into the Xbox operating system. This function can be enabled both through the settings and also through a button combination on the controller, namely being holding down the Xbox button until the controller vibrates and then pushing the view button to the left of it. So to get rid of this magnifying mode, we can just do the same thing again, that is pushing and holding the Xbox button until the controller vibrates and then letting go of the button and instead push the view button once. There. If you want to find this setting in the Xbox settings menu, you can also turn it on or off from there by pressing the Xbox button once, then moving right to settings and picking accessibility followed by magnifier. Down the bottom here, check the box next to magnifier on to turn it off or on. Alright, hope that helped. Thank you for watching. Bye.